Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video. In this video, we will discuss various examples of data structures in Python. In programming, data structures are specialized formats for organizing and storing data. Like think of them as containers that help us efficiently manage and manipulate the information in our programs. Python offers a rich set of data structures, including lists, arrays, stacks, queues, and many more. Each structure has its unique characteristics and use cases, allowing you to choose the right tool for the job. So, let's look at some examples of data structures. Let's start with one of the most commonly used data structures in Python, the list. Let's generate a list of fruits. So here is a list of fruits. Lists are ordered, mutable, and can hold a mix of data types. Like in this example, we have a list of fruits. We can modify, access, and add various elements in this list. So this list is some sort of go-to tool for many tasks. Next, we have sets. Sets are ensure unique elements, like we have numbers in a set. And when we will print these numbers, it will remove the duplicates automatically. So sets are great when uniqueness in the numbers is required. Let's explore another type of data structure that are dictionaries. Let's make a dictionary of student information. Dictionaries are basically data structure that use key value pairs for data storage. So this is the key and this is the value. Let's add another information, age, and city. So this is how we can make a dictionary with student information. So we can quickly retrieve values using their corresponding keys, like it is a good way to manage the data. This is how we can generate a dictionary, and we can access the values in the dictionary by their keys. This all tutorial is about some examples of lists, sets and dictionaries. These are very important tools that are helpful to manage and manipulate data in the programs. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos on Python.